Smyrna Games begin.
Weeks of competition among over 200 highly skilled technicians came down to this: the best of the best, showcasing their skills in front of family, friends, and coworkers at the 2022 Smyrna Games.
It's solidifying that culture that we have here in Smyrna. That we are a family and we really respect everyone we work with, and it truly is exciting to see them all come together.
Representing 7 shops across 15 competition categories, these manufacturing specialists focus on speed and quality.
We shoot for the best quality we can do on our line. So that just pushed me to go harder and do better.
Ronnie Hall made it here thanks to the encouragement of his coworkers. He's glad they pushed him to compete.
Oh, it was fun. It was real exciting. I was pumped up, and then I seen my family here, so it really helped me out. The best part about the Smyrna Games was just the experience, being there for my team and my line. It made me feel great. This is probably one of the proudest times I've ever had in my life.
Andrika Jones was calm and cool in the preliminary rounds, but the finals cranked up the heat.
Nervous, pure nervousness. Like my heart rate got up, hands started sweating. It was pure pandemonium. Once I got into it, I just went and did what I knew was best.
Roughly 300 spectators also amped up the action.
It was more people than I expected. Like once they started trickling in, I'm like, oh my gosh, like I'm gonna mess up, I ain't gonna win.
But when she did, claiming the gold and a new name.
My mom and one of my friends came to see me. They call me Top Dog.
Body Shop's Triple Threat Challenge is tough enough on its own, but downright intimidating with everyone watching you.
It was a big turnout, a lot of people. I was very, very nervous because it was a lot of people. It was way more than expected.
But the pressure of performing in front of a crowd didn't keep Shay Smith from delivering both speed and quality.
The games was really, really fun. I mean, they clapped for me, my kids, my family was here, so it was a good, exciting time. I came in first place, so besides being nervous, I guess I did a good job.
7-year stamping veteran Justin Dunnigan likes operating big cranes, especially when his family gets to see what Dad does every day. Justin may not have been named champion, but his kids know he's a winner, and that's better than gold.
Since my 2-year-old clapping, that was great. And watching everything go on, and just for them to get the feel of what you do and look at all the big stuff and the cranes and forklifts, you know, the kids love it.
There's a lot to love about the Smyrna Games: friendly competition, camaraderie, family support, cool prizes, and some seriously skilled master manufacturers coming together to demonstrate what makes Nissan Smyrna great and keeps us moving forward together. Justin is ready to compete again and hopes more of his coworkers join him.
Do it, try it, it's fun. Just the atmosphere, and it's a little nerve-wracking sometimes, but once you do it and you make it through, you just feel great about it. It's fun, seeing what skill you have in you.
We talk a lot about the cars, we talk a lot about the great products we offer. Without great people, none of it's possible. So to be able to showcase me in front of the size crowd we had, I hope everyone saw today truly how amazing our employees are inside the Smyrna family.